Hey everybody, I just wanted to give you a really quick tutorial about what we did in class today, just in case you forgot. So if you are looking here, I have a very generic setup for an essay. Okay, so don't forget your font should be Times New Roman. Your size should be 12. Your heading should be your name, my name. Your class is English 3. Okay, your title, which you will highlight in space. Okay, if you want to insert page numbers, you go to Insert, Header and Page Number, Page Numbers, select this one. Okay, and then you type your last name with number 1, and then this becomes Times New Roman size 12 as well. Okay, so the last thing we have to do, we have to check our spacing. So you indent the first line of your paragraph. You can highlight this, double space, highlight your paragraph, double space. Okay, and that's all you need to do. Good luck.